English shorthand, 100 words per minute. Ready for dictation? The following is an extract from the company report of a very large and well-known engineering concern. Para, I wish once more to say how grateful the management is to the staff and workers both in this country and abroad for their hard work and loyal cooperation. I am certain that in the current year we can continue to rely on the splendid quality of our employees as a whole. I may mention in this connection that your organization has been free from labor troubles of any kind for several years, and there has been no use of weapon of the strike by the workers or of the weapon of the lockout by the employers. I am confident that this happy state of affairs will continue. Para. Your directors are today proposing the payment of a final dividend of 8% on the ordinary shares, making a total payment of 15% for the year. I think I can say without hesitation that the figures I have given you are extremely gratifying and indicate an excellent year's trading. Last year, I mentioned that it continued to be the policy of the board to conserve their resources and devote substantial amounts of money to the provisions of modern plant and machinery. It is absolutely essential to move with the times if our organization is to maintain its leading position in the engineering world today. We have maintained production throughout the past year at a satisfactory level, but we have experienced a serious shortage of skilled workers in some of our units. Para. Last year, I referred to very considerable detail in the activities of our various undertakings overseas. Your directors are more fully convinced than ever that it was the correct policy to establish manufacturing units abroad. We shall continue the policy of expansion whenever possible. It will be clear to you that we have had a year of great progress and fine achievements. It has been a period of considerable complexity in world conditions as a whole, and it would be aggression to claim that international conditions have now entered a period of calm. No doubt, storms still lie ahead, but we are in a very strong position to weather them. The knowledge that we have gained is a great source of strength in times of stress, but we must not be worried about the future. Thank you, students. Keep practicing. Best of luck.